Hello guys, welcome back to my Forex trading channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the Forex strategies that you need to know as a beginner. Okay, yeah, so there are a lot of things we did, okay, or Forex beginners, traders, beginners did that it didn't go well for them. Okay, so as a new beginner you need to learn these strategies, okay, or understand what they went through, and then you learn or like make changes with that. Okay, yeah, so we have 5 points here that you need, or the strategies, five strategies that you need to know or you need to understand. So one on our list is no strategy is 100%. Okay, so what do I mean by no strategy is 100%? Whilst there are big boys, that is the pro traders, no, there's no strategy that is 100%. Okay, even 85 or 90 is very scarce. It's very scarce, guys. So don't be greedy, don't be scammed at the internet. No strategy is 100%. It all depends on the like the number of achievements, okay, the risk to reward ratio you've been using. Okay, so no strategy is 100%. Just understand the market. Okay, there are certain things you will learn, and whatever you do, no matter what you do, still like you will hit your stop loss. Okay, no matter what you do, but this is just like the number of times you are going to win with that strategy is very high than the low. Okay, so for example, you may use like channel trading, for instance, okay, or the supply and demand zones. Okay, you will get a clear, a vivid, a clear like supply and demand zone, but still the market will hit your stop loss. Don't be greedy. Don't say that the teacher didn't teach you all. It's all about this, that the strategy is not 100%. So if you do understand this, even though you have a good setup, but it still feels you are not like bored. Okay, you will not get bored or you want to be sad. So just understand that no strategy is 100%. So second on our list is proper risk management. So when I say proper risk management, it means how you manage your risk, okay, to reward ratio. For example, for instance, I usually use the 1:3 reward ratios. Okay, meaning let's say if I'm losing $5 per trade, okay, I supposed to like profit $15, okay, because 5 times 3 is 15. So I supposed to make $15 profit, or either lose $5 profit. Okay, you understand the statement? Yeah, that is proper risk management. It's not always using 1:3, but you can also use 1:2. Okay, meaning you are losing $5 and like risking it with what, with a $10 profit. Okay, yeah, so proper risk management, you proper, and then you risk what you can afford. Okay, so don't risk what you can't afford. For instance, you have $50 in your account, and then like you are using a very huge loss size, a very huge, like, no, a very huge, like, no, don't be greedy. Just understand, okay, and use proper risk management. So that is what I mean about the proper risk management. And then third on our list is know your best currency pairs. Know your best currency pairs. Like, what I'm trying to say is that know your favorite pairs. Okay, you have your favorite dish, and I also have my favorite dish. Okay, someone may prefer rice and stew, others prefer what do we say it, banku and okra stew. Me too, I prefer gobe. Okay, so that is it. So everyone and his or her favorite food. So here comes know, or like choose your favorite pairs, currency pairs. Okay, people usually say their favorite pair is euro versus USD, USD versus euro. But my favorite pair isn't that. My favorite pair may be a USD JPY and then New Zealand USDT, okay, or USD. So each and everyone has his or her own what best best currency pairs or favorite pairs. So don't follow someone say that, for instance, my mentor usually say that his favorite pair is euro versus USD, and you are forcing yourself to also make it compulsory for your favorite pair to be that one. No, Charlie, you just like trade. Okay, the number of times you'll be making a lot of mistakes, and then as well as using your demo account. Okay, so in all these, like your doings, your like hitting your stop loss, hitting your TP, and what have you, you have to know. Okay, sit down and then adjust. Okay, this is the number of times I've entered euro versus USD, and this is the number of times I've lost, and this is the number of times I've profit. Okay, so you just sit down and understand, and then omit those that you are not like making money with it. Okay, so that is where you can also choose what your best currency or your favorite currency. I believe you understand that. Okay, so that is it. And then fourth on our list is don't be greedy. I've been saying this every day and every time. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Forex trading is not for the greedy. Let me tell you this. Forex trading is not for the greedy. Have patience, okay, and then use a proper risk management, as I've been saying. Okay, so stop or avoid being greedy. For example, as I use the point two as an example, use a proper risk management. If you use the proper risk management but it still hits your stop loss, understand the market. Don't go for revenge trading. Okay, so understand the market and close for the day. I, for instance, I usually trade on the USD JPY and then the New Zealand USD. Okay, whenever I hit my SL or my take profit, I close for the day, and then I go back for the next day and then trade. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy that the market has hit my stop loss, so I'm going for revenge, and then like unnecessary setups you'll be entering, and then chale, you are destroying, like you are just greedy. Or even this isn't a trading, this is like gambling type. Okay, so avoid being greedy in the forex market. And then the last on our list is have a journal. Have a journal. So what at all is a journal? What at all is a journal? So a journal is something like a diary. Okay, yeah, that keeps your record. Okay, yeah. So reading from the what do we say it, dictionary, is a diary is a record of a person, organization, vessel, etc. Okay, so it could be a newspaper, it could be a magazine dealing with a particular subject. So the subject here we are talking about is forex trading market. Okay, so just have a diary, have a records of what you did and it didn't go well, and then what you did and you profit. So have a journal. Have a journal that will show you whether you are a profitable forex trader or you are just gambling at the market. Okay, guys, so I would like to end here, and also keep note of these 5 strategies, and I believe me, you are going to make it in the forex markets. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also as well. Thank guys.